If you see this kind of video, don't feel scared. It is easy. But you can pause the video, try it, and to see if you're going to get the same answer with me. Now, to do this, here, we have 5 to the power of y plus 5 to the power of y equals to 100. We are looking for the value of y that will make this equation to be true. Now, let's think of 5 to the power of y as just like a variable, like let's say x. This and this are the same. So here you can factor out 5 to the power of y. And here we have 1 plus 1 equals to 100. If you try to distribute this, you're still going to get this back. So now here we have 1 plus 1 is 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of y, which is equals to 100. Next is to divide both sides by the coefficient of 5 to the power of y, which is 2. Dividing this by 2, dividing this by 2. And here we have 2 cancelling out 2. We have 5 to the power of y equals to 100 divided by 2 is going to give us 50. Now, this looks very interesting. What is going to be the value of y to give us 50? Yeah, to get this, we can use logarithm approach. So we apply log to both sides. Log 5 to the power of y equals to log 50. Remember the law of logarithm that says that when you have log a to the power of b, this is going to be b log a. You're going to move this behind. So this is what we're going to apply right here. So here I'm going to have y log 5 equals to log 50. Now let's continue from here. You can divide both sides by log 5. Divide both sides by log 5. So here I have my y to be equals to log 50 divided by log 5. Now, looking at log 50, you're going to agree with me that 50 is the same thing as 5 times 10. In fact, we can break it down. So here I'm going to have my y to be equals to log 5 times 5 times 2 divided by log 5. 5 times 5 is 25 times 2 is 50 divided by 5. So this is going to be y equals to the law of logarithm also. When you have these being multiplied, you can separate the logarithm by using addition sign. So this is going to be log 5 plus log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Now, each of the numerator can be divided by 5. That is, y can be equals to log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. And from here, my y is going to be 1. Log 5 divided by log 5 is going to be 1. Plus log 5 divided by log 5 is going to be 1. Plus log 2 divided by log 5. And from here, we can say that finally, y is going to be 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Log 2 divided by log 5 can be written as log 2 base 5. This is what we've got. Now, you can be a little bit skeptical about this, and you would want to confirm if this is true. Recall that here I have my y to be equals to 2 plus log 2 base 5. Now let's check. if this is going to be equal. Now, to check, we have 5 to the power of y. So here our y is now 2 plus log 2 base 5 plus, again, 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 base 5. We want to see if this is going to be equals to 100. And to confirm this, this can be written as 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 base 5 plus 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 base 5. Now, to solve this further, 5 to the power of 2 is, before I do this, there's a law of logarithm also that says that when you have a to the power of log b base a, this is equals to b. Provided the base of the power of the log is the same as this. So you're going to have this. So this rule will be used here. So here, 5 to the power of 2 is 25. 5 and this base is 5. So your answer is going to be 2. 5 squared here is 25. And this also you have 2. 25 times 2 is 50. 25 times 2 is 50. And you can see that this is equals to 100. So verily, our answer is going to be this. This is the only solution I can get for y. If you have alternative way of doing this, you can put it in the comment section and let's think about this together. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.